Bangladesh is moving toward a future powered by clean energy. With rising energy demands, renewable energy is the key to build a self-reliant nation. A group of 4 progressive and dynamic engineers came together with a bold vision to become the most trusted, preferred, well-equipped, and technologically advanced renewable energy solution provider for industrial and commercial clean energy for Bangladesh. That vision gave birth to NetZero Energy and Technology Limited. Today, NetZero stands as one of the most trusted and well-established in Bangladesh's solar EPC sector, renowned for innovative and high-quality solutions, with a skilled workforce of over 30 permanent employees and more than 50 project-based technicians, and have successfully implemented solar power projects with a combined capacity of more than 20 megawatts across Bangladesh. Our services includes solar EPC solutions, solar and electrical accessory supply, energy storage system, consultancy, survey and feasibility studies, substation solutions, civil and steel structural works, after-sales service. We provide smart solar solutions, which includes on-grid industrial rooftop solar system, residential and commercial rooftop solar system, ground-mounted solar system, floating solar system, solar irrigation system, mini-grid solutions for remote areas. We also supply high-quality solar and electrical accessories. Our accessories includes solar panel, inverter, BESS system, walkway, mounting structure, AC combiner box, HT and LT panel, DB box, LPS, cable tray, AC and DC cable. Here are some of our flagship projects. 12.6 megawatt peak rooftop solar project at Akij Glass Industries Limited, the largest rooftop solar project on a single industrial roof in Bangladesh. 2.01 megawatt peak rooftop solar project at Akij Polymer Industries Limited, 1.0 megawatt peak rooftop solar project at Akij Particle Board, 200 kilowatt peak rooftop solar project at JMI Group, 615 kilowatt peak rooftop solar project at Hakkani Group. Our solar projects help to reduce over 13,200 tons of carbon emissions every year. To fulfill this mission, NetZero operates alongside its sister concern SCT, which plays a vital role by producing warehouse racking systems and factory furniture, with a production capacity of 2,000 tons per year. At NetZero Energy and Technology Limited, we don't just install solar systems, we empower industries, reduce carbon emissions, and build a better future. Together, let's power Bangladesh with clean and green energy.